You did most things right. You even started eating less, ran on the treadmill, and the scale finally gave you a smile by showing a weight drop. Medical logic says you should look lean, but that's not the case. You look at yourself in the mirror and you look as soft as cotton. Your clothes fit loose, but this stubborn belly still shows. Your arms are not defined. You feel trapped in the worst fitness, pakundi nightmare. You're skinny, but you feel and look fat. And your instinct right now is to continue dieting. You start eating even less. But if you do that, you are not helping the situation. Here's the exact biological reason you look soft despite the low weight, and the counterintuitive trap that's keeping you stuck. First, understand that skinny fat isn't just a gym bro term. In the Tatilat medical's world, doctors call it normal weight obesity. Your body mass index, or BMI, is completely normal. But BMI is just a math formula that divides your weight by your height. It has absolutely no idea what that weight actually consists of. Take for example someone who weighs 150 pounds and have zero muscle. 20% body fat looks soft and jiggly. But if you weigh 150 pounds and have solid muscle tissue, that exact same 20% body fat looks athletic and firm. Here's the bad news. A lot of that softness comes from visceral fat. The dangerous fat wrapped around your internal organs, meaning you aren't soft because you have too much fat. You are soft because you have a catastrophic scarcity of muscle. You have no structural foundation under your skin to create shape, tension, or definition. Now here is where 90% of people completely ruin their progress. When you look soft, your brain screams, lose more weight. So you slash your calories to almost nothing. Or you start doing 2 hours of daily cardio. And yes, the scale drops. But here is the biological reality. When you starve your body without giving it a reason to hold on to muscle, your body doesn't just burn fat. It eats its own muscle tissue for energy because muscle is metabolically expensive to keep alive. By continually cutting harder, you are stripping away the very tissue that gives you a lean shape. You are literally making yourself more skinny fat at a lower weight. Your metabolism falls, your skin loses its elasticity, and you end up looking even softer than when you started. Not sure where people get this idea, but you cannot starve your way into looking athletic. By this time you are thinking, so how do I fix this? You have to stop playing the traditional weight loss game and start playing the body recomposition game. You need to build muscle and lose fat at the same time. And no, you do not need to go on cheat days or a massive dirty bulk and gain a whole lot of fat. Here is the exact 3-step protocol to flip the switch. Step 1. Eat at a skinny fat maintenance. Stop starving yourself. Find your maintenance calories, the amount where your weight stays exactly the same, and stay right there, or eat in a tiny 100-calorie surplus. Give your body the actual fuel it needs to build structure. Step 2. Force protein up. You need to feed the building blocks. Aim for roughly 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of your target body weight every single day. Protein has the highest thermic effect of food, meaning your body burns calories just trying to digest it. And it forces your system to repair muscle instead of storing fat. Step 3. Lift with purpose. Put down the light pink dumbbells and stop doing endless, empty cardio. You need progressive overload, whether it's heavy body weight movements, resistance bands, or iron. You must push your muscles close to failure to send a loud biological signal to your body that says, keep this muscle, we need it. The hardest part of this journey isn't the workouts. It's the mental shift. For the next 3 months, your weight might not change at all, but your waist will shrink, your shoulders will widen, and that soft look will completely vanish. You are trading fat for functional, dense muscle structure. Stop trying to become a smaller version of a shape you don't like. Build the foundation first. Hit that subscribe button for the exact workout routines to fix this. And if you've been trapped in this cycle, drop a comment below. Let's figure out your maintenance target together. I'll see you in the next video.